You've seen smart home gadgets before. Voice assistants, robot vacuums, and smart plugs. But today, we're going a little deeper into the strange side of home tech. These are 18 weird smart home gadgets. Things that make you do a double take at first, but then wonder, wait, why do I kind of want that? I've sorted this list in a way that flows naturally, starting with kitchen weirdness, then cleaning and personal care oddities, and finishing off with some truly bizarre futuristic gadgets that could only exist in 2025. Every product here is real. Many were showcased at CES 2024 or trending on Amazon's Internet Famous section. And every one of them blurs the line between ridiculous and revolutionary. At number 1, we have the smarter FridgeCam. Let's start with something subtle, but undeniably weird. A camera that lives inside your fridge. The smarter FridgeCam, made by UK-based company Smarter, connects to Wi-Fi and takes a snapshot every time you close the refrigerator door. Through the Smarter app, it recognizes every item using AI: milk, cheese, eggs, even brand labels like Coca-Cola or Heinz, and it keeps track of what's expiring soon. It can even sync with Amazon Fresh or Instacart to restock groceries automatically. The weird part? It literally lets you check your fridge from work, the gym, or the airport. It's the kind of futuristic laziness we once laughed at, but in 2025, it actually saves time, food, and arguments about who finished the milk. At number 2, we have the HAPIfork Smart Eating Utensil. This one is pure "why does this exist" energy. The HAPIfork from ToiLabs looks like a normal fork until it starts vibrating in your hand. Yes, it buzzes if you eat too fast. It connects via Bluetooth 4.0 to the Happy Coach app, syncing your eating habits with Google Fit or Apple Health. It literally measures your bite intervals and warns you if you're devouring your pasta too quickly. Weird? Absolutely. But it's based on real research from Stanford University on mindful eating. It's a perfect example of a strange gadget that feels like a prank gift until you realize it's quietly training you to eat healthier. At number 3, we have the ToiLabs TrueLoo Smart Toilet Seat. Now this is peak weirdness, a toilet seat that analyzes your health. The TrueLoo by ToiLabs, a San Francisco health tech startup, is equipped with sensors that literally scan your waist and send anonymous data to your phone. It tracks hydration, diet changes, and even early signs of medical issues using computer vision and AI modeling. The data integrates securely with Apple HealthKit and CarePredict. It's strange, it's invasive, and it sounds like something out of Black Mirror. But in 2025, hospitals and senior care homes are already using it. The weirdest part? It's one of the most accurate wellness monitors out there, and you never have to think about it. At number 4, we have the Moen Smart Shower System. Here's a shower that obeys your voice. The Moen Smart Shower U connects to Alexa, Google Home, and Apple HomeKit, letting you say, "Alexa, start my shower," while you're still half asleep. You can control the exact water temperature, time, and flow from the Moen Smart Water app. It even has a preheat mode, so your shower is ready before you step in. The weird part? It talks back. It tells you when your preferred temperature is reached and even shuts off automatically to save water. It's the kind of bathroom flex that feels excessive, but once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever twisted knobs like a caveman. At number 5, we have the PETKIT Fresh Element Infinity Smart Pet Feeder. This one is for pet lovers who also love automation. The PETKIT Fresh Element Infinity looks like a space-age pet food dispenser, complete with a Wi-Fi chip, an infrared sensor, and even two-way audio. Through the PETKIT app, you can watch your pet live via the built-in HD camera, talk to them through the speaker, and feed them from anywhere in the world. Here's the weird part. It uses AI-powered facial recognition to identify which pet is eating. If you have 2 cats, it can literally detect who's at the bowl and adjust portions. It's half pet sitter, half robot nanny, and it's as weird as it is brilliant. At number 6, we have the Narwal Freo X Ultra Self-Cleaning Robot Mop. We've had robot vacuums for years, but this one cleans itself, like literally. The Narwal Freo X Ultra doesn't just mop your floor, it washes its own mop pads, adds detergent, and refills clean water automatically. It's powered by LiDAR navigation, yes, the same kind of laser mapping used in Tesla cars, and has its own base station with a touchscreen, HEPA filter, and 4-liter tank. What makes it weird? It uses AI soil detection to identify dirty spots, so it can tell the difference between dust, sauce stains, and coffee spills. It's basically a cleaning robot that judges your mess and then fixes it for you. At number 7, we have the GE Profile Smart Mixer. This is what happens when your kitchen appliances get too smart. The GE Profile Smart Mixer connects to Wi-Fi, runs AI-guided recipes, and even weighs ingredients automatically with built-in scales. Through the Smart HQ app, you can start, stop, or adjust speed right from your phone. It uses torque sensors to sense the dough texture and self-adjust, something only pro chefs used to do by hand. The weird part? It receives firmware updates like your smartphone, meaning your mixer literally gets smarter over time. It's strange, but it's also a glimpse at how even basic kitchen tools are turning into connected tech. At number 8, we have the Somnox 2 Smart Sleep Companion. Now this one is both weird and oddly adorable. The Somnox 2 is a robotic pillow that breathes. No joke, it expands and contracts as if it's inhaling and exhaling, syncing with your breathing rhythm to calm you down. It connects via Bluetooth 5.0 to the Somnox app, where you can customize breathing programs, sleep sounds, or guided meditations. It even works with Spotify for ambient soundscapes. It feels bizarre at first, hugging a breathing robot to fall asleep, but research from TU Delft University shows it helps users fall asleep faster and reduce anxiety. It's weird comfort tech at its finest. At number 9, we have the Smart Garden 9 Pro by Click & Grow. This gadget turns your kitchen counter into a sci-fi greenhouse. The Click & Grow Smart Garden 9 Pro uses NASA-inspired soil pods and LED lights that mimic real sunlight. It connects via Bluetooth to the Click & Grow app, which tracks humidity, temperature, and plant growth cycles. You just add water once every 2 weeks, and the garden does the rest. It's weird because it's like farming for people who never touch dirt. You can grow basil, lettuce, or even cherry tomatoes indoors, automatically. It's the kind of smart weirdness that makes city apartments feel alive again. At number 10, we have the Baracoda BMind Smart Mirror. Now this one takes weird to another level. The BMind mirror, built by Baracoda and shown at CES 2024, uses AI emotion detection to read your facial expressions and mood. If it detects stress, it dims the lighting, plays soft music, or displays calming visuals. It syncs with Google Fit and Philips Hue, so your lights and sound systems can react to your emotions. It's weird because it literally knows when you're having a bad day and tries to fix it. It blurs the line between smart home tech and emotional AI, and while it sounds creepy, it's strangely comforting. At number 11, we have the LG Styler Steam Closet. Here's one that always confuses guests. The LG Styler looks like a futuristic fridge, but it's actually a clothes steamer that refreshes your wardrobe using TrueSteam technology. You hang your clothes inside, close the door, and the Styler shakes, steams, and sanitizes them. It even presses your pants automatically. Yes, it has a pants crease feature. It connects to the LG ThinkU app so you can refresh your clothes remotely. It's weirdly satisfying to open it up and find your suit looking freshly ironed, no dry cleaner needed. At number 12, we have the AIRROBO T10 Plus voice-controlled robot vacuum. This robot vacuum doesn't just follow commands, it actually talks back. The AIRROBO T10 Plus, built by UBTech Robotics, features Yiko Voice Assistant, so it can understand natural speech like "clean under the sofa" or "return to base." It maps your home using 360-degree LiDAR, empties itself automatically, and even learns your cleaning habits over time. The weirdest part is that it doesn't need Alexa or Google, it's got its own built-in voice brain. It's one of those devices that makes your house feel haunted, in the best way possible. At number 13, we have the Ember Smart Mug 2. This is one of those "that's dumb, but I want one" gadgets. The Ember Mug 2 keeps your drink at the perfect temperature all day. It's controlled via the Ember app, which lets you set your ideal heat level down to the degree. It's used in Apple stores, synced with Apple Watch, and powered by a small lithium-ion battery. You can even include it in your morning Alexa routines, so your mug heats up before you sit down. It's weirdly specific, a mug with Bluetooth. But once you use it, you'll never want to go back to reheating your coffee. It's luxury laziness perfected. At number 14, we have the Aura Digital Frame. This one looks innocent until you realize it's doing emotional AI work behind the scenes. It automatically updates photos through Wi-Fi, connects to Google Photos, iCloud, and Amazon Photos, and uses facial recognition to sort your pictures by person or pet. It's weird because it doesn't just display photos, it curates them. It picks your happiest memories based on smile detection and lighting cues. It's like your frame has taste. Creepy or cool? You decide. At number 15, we have the June Smart Oven. This one looks like a toaster oven until you open it. Then it becomes an AI chef. The June Oven, powered by an NVIDIA Tegra X1 chip, uses a built-in HD camera to identify what you're cooking automatically. Put in a steak, it knows it's steak. Add salmon, it switches cooking mood. It syncs with Alexa, has live video streaming via June app, and even gives you notifications when your food's perfectly done. It's weird to think an oven can see, but it's so precise that even pro chefs like Heston Blumenthal have endorsed it. It's the definition of weird, but genius. At number 16, we have the SwitchBot Curtain 3. This one's small, but surprisingly weird. The SwitchBot Curtain 3 clips onto your curtain rod and automatically opens or closes your curtains at set times. It supports Matter, Alexa, Google Home, and Apple HomeKit, and you can control it with the SwitchBot app or a remote. It's powered by a brushless motor that's whisper quiet. It's weird because it makes such a tiny task fully automated. It's the gadget equivalent of peak laziness, and somehow that makes it delightful. At number 17, we have the Oral-B IO Series 10 Smart Toothbrush. A toothbrush that talks to you? That's exactly what this is. The Oral-B IO 10, powered by AI and a magnetic drive motor, connects to the Oral-B app and gives you real-time brushing feedback. It literally tracks where you've brushed, how long, and how hard. It even glows red or green on its smart charger dock to show if you're brushing correctly. It's weird, it's over-engineered, and it's one of the few toothbrushes officially approved by the American Dental Association for its tracking precision. It's like having a dentist living in your sink. And finally, at number 18, we have the Bird Buddy Smart Bird Feeder. Possibly the cutest weird gadget ever made, the Bird Buddy is a Wi-Fi bird feeder with a built-in camera that automatically identifies bird species using Google Cloud Vision AI. It takes HD photos, uploads them to the Bird Buddy app, and even builds a personal bird collection, like Pokemon Go for real birds. It's a mix of wildlife, AI, and social media weirdness. You can even share your bird photos on Instagram or join live birdwatching communities across the US. It's quirky, eco-friendly, and one of those gadgets that make your backyard feel alive again. Conclusion. So, there you have it. 18 weird smart home gadgets that prove the future isn't just about being smarter, it's about being stranger too. From AI mirrors to robotic pillows, these inventions show how tech in 2025 is blurring the line between useful and bizarre. Which one did you find the weirdest? Drop a comment below. And if you'd actually buy one of these, hit that like button so I know I'm not the only one fascinated by this tech insanity.